Hello students, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Once again welcome back to your class Ravi Sarji Maths, the easier and better way to learn the concepts of mathematics. Students, in our previous video lecture of probabilities, we have learned the introductions of probabilities. We have studied the similar word related to probabilities, day-to-day examples of probabilities, origin of probabilities, queries related to probabilities, how these queries solved by the different mathematicians, approaches of probabilities, and elementary events, compound events, favorable events, negation of events, and we have learned the conditions of probability. Student, in today's video lecture we are going to solve the problems regarding the games of chance, means regarding the questions of probability, right students? Before starting today's video lecture, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay students, today we will do the practice about pack of 52 cards. What is pack of 52 cards? I think you have very well aware about pack of 52 cards. Students, in that pack of 52 cards, 26 cards are black and 26 cards are red. Now these 52 cards are divided into 4 parts: the card of heart, the card of spade, the card of diamond, and the card of club. Right students? There are 4 S in pack of 52 cards. 4 twos, 4 threes, 4 up to 4 tens. Right? Similarly, we having 12 face card. In these 12 face cards, Jack, Queen and King. Right students? Again these cards are divided into 4 parts: club, spade, heart and diamond. Right students? Okay, moving to our question. The first question is what? The card is drawn random from pack of 52 cards. Right students? The question is what? A card is drawn random from pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is black. Okay students, our first question is what? Now we will solve the first question. Consider this is event A1, right? A black card. What you want to find out? A black card. Right students? We know that in pack of 52 cards, 26 cards are black and 26 cards are red. Right students? So your favorable events will be M. 26 black card. What? 26 black card. N is total number of card. How many numbers of card are there? 52. So the probability of this event P of A can be written as M by N, right? So P of A is equal to 26 by 52. So P of A is equal to 1 by 2. Right students? Okay, now moving to the second question. What does the second question states? Now the second question states that the card should be either black card or a king. Either a black card or a king, right? Consider this is A2. Either black card or a king. Right, student? We know that in pack of 52 cards, how many black cards are there? Obviously 26 card, right? So what will be M? 26 black card, right? Or a king, right? We know that there are 4 king, right? In 4 king, 2 kings are red and 2 kings are black. These 2 black kings are included in 26 cards. So remaining how many cards? 2. Okay, plus 2 red king. Okay, student. So M is equal to 28 and total number of cards 52. So P of A2 M by N, what we are getting over here? 28 by 52, cancelling by 2, 14, and here we are 26, 13, what we are getting? 7, right? So 7 by 13. Okay. Now question number 3 is over here. In question number 3, what we have to find out? Black and a king, right, students? Black and a king. You can see that in question number 3, black and a king, the card should be black and king, right? So consider this is A3, black and a king, right, students? Black and a king. So we know that there are 4 kings are there. 2 are black and 2 are red. Okay, so what will be your favorable event? M, 2 black king, right? And total number of events 52. So P of A3 M by N 2 by 52. So what we are getting? 1 by 26. Okay, students. Now moving to question number 4. What does the question number 4 states? A jack, queen or a king, right? Consider this is event number 4. A jack, right? A queen or a king, right, students? What do you want to find out? The probability of a jack getting jack card, queen card or a king. So we know that 4 of jack card, 4 of queen and 4 of king cards. So M is equal to 12, N is equal to 52. So P of A4 12 by 52. So you can cancel these things. 6, 26, 13, 3. So 3 by 13. Okay. Now students, moving to the question number 5. What does the question number 5 states? Neither heart nor a king, right? A5. Neither heart nor a king. Neither heart nor a king. It means, students, out of 52 cards, the card should not be heart and card should not be king, right, students? So we know that out of 52 cards you will have to remove heart card, right, and minus a king, 3 king. Why is it so? Because students, we know that out of 52 cards, heart cards are 13. How many? 13 cards. In that 13 cards, 1 card of king is included, because we know that there are 4 cards of king, but in heart cards 13 cards having 13 cards, but one card of king is included, so we are removing 3 king, right? So 3 king of what? Club, spade and diamond, because heart card is included in this 13 card. So finally you are getting 52 minus 16. So 12 minus 6, 6, 4 minus 1, 3, 36. And total number of cards 52. So P of A2 M by N, right? So what we are getting? 36 by 52. Okay students, now cancelling by 2 we are getting 18, cancelling by 2, 26, cancelling by 2, 13, 9. So we are getting 9 by 13. So probability of the card neither heart nor a king is 9 by 13. Okay, now moving to the question number 6. Students, in question number 6, spade or an S, right? A6, spade or an S. Student, we know that 52 cards are divided into 4 parts. 13 card having diamond, 13 card having heart, 13 card of club and 13 card of spade. So 13 card of spade and S, right? So student, here you can see that the value of M is what? Favorable event. So spade card, how many spade card are there? 13. Or an S, 4 S are there. In 4S, one card having spade, so that spade card is included in this 13 card. So how many remaining S card? 3. So we are getting 16. So total numbers of cards 52. So P of A of 6, M by N, 16 by 52, right student? So 16 by cancelling by 2, 8, 26, 13, 4. So 4 by 13. Okay. Now question number 7 is there. What does the question number 7 states over here? Neither an S nor a king, right? A7. Neither an S nor a king, right students? Neither an S, the card should not be S and card should not be king. Okay, so out of 52 cards, 4 cards of S minus 4 cards of king, right student? Okay, 52 minus 4 card of S and 4 cards of king, so 8. So what we are getting over here? 44. And total number of cards are 52. So P of A7 is equal to 44 by 52. By cancelling by 2, 26, cancelling by 2, 22, cancelling by 2, 11, and here is 30. So your probability is what? 11 by 30. Means probability of getting neither an S nor a king card is 11 by 13. Okay. Okay students, moving to the question number 8. What is the question number 8 is over here? A8, right? Neither a red card nor a queen, right? Neither a red card nor a queen, means the card should not be red card and the card should not be queen, right student? Okay student, we know that there are 4 queen, and out of 4 king, 2 queens are red card, the card of heart and card of diamond. and here you will have to find the probability of neither a red card nor a queen. Neither a red card nor a queen, right? Okay students, M, your favorable events. There are 52 cards, neither a red card. You will have to remove all the red cards. So red cards are 13 minus queen. 2 cards remaining which are black. So black queen, because 4 queen are there. 2 queens are black color and 2 queens of red color. So these 2 queens of red color are included in 13 card and remaining 2 black queens over here. So M is equal to 52 minus 15. So 12 minus 5, 7, 4 minus 1, 3, 37. And your total number of cards are there 52. So P of A8 is equal to M by N 37 by 52. Right student? It means the probability of getting the card neither a red nor a queen is 37 by 52. Okay, question number 9 over here. In question number 9, other than an S, other than an S. So A9, other than an S. It means the card should not be S. The card should not be S. Right student? Okay. So the card should not be S means out of 52 cards, 4 cards are S. So other than an S. Okay. So 52 minus 4, 48, and total number of cards 52. So P of A 9 is equal to M by N 48 by 52, 12 and 13. So we are getting 12 by 13. So the probability of getting a card other than an S is 12 by 13. Okay. Question number 10. Question number 10. What is A10 or 10? The card of a 10. So we know that there are 4 cards of a 10. Okay. So M is equal to 4 because 4 cards of 10. So N is 52. So P of A10 M by N 4 by 52, cancelling these things, 1 by 13. So the card getting of a 10 is, probability of card getting of a 10 is 1 by 13. Question number 11. A spade, right students? The card should be a spade. Student, we know that there are 13 cards of heart, 13 cards of diamond, 13 cards of club and 13 cards of spade. So your favorable events are what? M is equal to 13 cards and N is equal to 52. So P of A11, that is your event, M by N 13 by 52. So 1 by 4. So the probability of getting a spade card is 1 by 4. Okay. Moving to question number 12. The question number 12 states a black card. Suppose A12, a black card. We know that 52 cards are divided into 2 colors, red colors and black colors. So 26 cards are red color and 26 card of black color, right? So your favorable events will be 26 of black card. N is total number of event 52. So P of A 12, M by N 26 by 52, 1 by 2. So the probability of getting a black card is 1 by 2. Okay, in question number 13, the 7 of club, A13, the 7 of club card. Obviously students, we know that all cards are divided into 4 parts: heart card, club card, spade card and diamond card. Here you want to find out the 7 of club card. So we know that there is only one card of 7 of club, because 7 of club is like that way, right student? And total number of card are 52. So P of A13, M by N, so 1 by 52. So the probability of getting the 7 of club card is 1 by 52. Now question number 14, jack card, A14. The event is A14, the card of jack. So we know that there are 12 face cards, 4 card of jack, 4 card of queen and 4 card of king. So number of card of jack, which is equal to M, 4, and total number of cards 52. So P of A14 is equal to M by N. So 4 by 52, 1 by 13. Right student? So probability of getting a jack card is 1 by 13. Okay. S of spade. Question number 15. A15. S of spade. Okay. We know that S having heart card. The S is divided into 4 parts: club, spade, diamond and heart, right? So S of spade, there is only one card of S of spade. So M is equal to 1, S of spade, right? And N is 52. So P of A15 is equal to M by N, 1 by 52. Right students? Okay. Moving to the question number 16. What does the question number 16 state? A queen, right? A16, a queen, right student? How many queens are there? 4 queens. So M is equal to 4, N is equal to 52. So P of A16, M by N, 4 by 52. So we are getting 1 by 13. So probability of getting a queen card is 1 by 13. Now question number 17. Moving to the question number 17. A heart, right? A17, a heart. We know that 52 cards are divided in 13 of heart card, 13 of club card, 13 of spade card and 13 of diamond card. So number of heart cards M is equal to 13, total number of card 52, P of A17, M by N, 13 by 52, 1 by 4. So probability of getting a heart card is 1 by 4. Okay, now to the final move to the today's video lesson, a red card, right students? A18, red card. So we know that out of 52 cards, 26 card having red color and 26 card having black color. So number of cards of red card 26, total number of card 52. So P of A18 M by N 26 by 52, so 1 by 2. So the students, you can conclude that probability of getting a red card is 1 by 2. Okay students, here we are completing today's video lesson. I hope you have understood this video lesson. For more video lesson of this topic, please keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths. Thank you so much.